So the installation and use of POV-Ray is actually pretty straightforward on Ubuntu. So the only thing you need to do is basically run these 3 lines in your terminal, and that would be it. So you must, however, make sure that when you're writing the second line, that you must be in your user folder. So that's actually means the folder, right? For my case, it's Andrew. So you must be inside your username folder to run the second line. Otherwise, it would not create this path on the right place. But nonetheless, after you're done writing these two lines in your terminal, to execute any file, you must just write. You can just write POV-Ray and the name of your file plus the extension. So I don't have any files right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna download a template file from the internet. So let's see, what can I write? So POV-Ray runs through scripts, so that's why I wrote script here. They have a similar syntax as HTML, I think. So I'm just gonna go with number 5. Now we have several examples here, so I'm just gonna choose more transparent spheres. I'll just choose, sure, why not? More transparent objects. So just after you click on that, just select the whole script and paste it in. Let me just exit out of this. No, sorry. Let me just open a new terminal. So it's basically copy that whole code block in a new file. Just name that file. And I'm just gonna name it somewhere here, sure. Hello.pop POV. All right. So now it's named POV, and it's actually residing on the same path as I am here, so I can execute it straight out from this path without making any directory changes. So what I'm gonna write is just gonna write Python. Gonna write POV-Ray, and then the file name that we chose times the plus the extension, and it should give us something, right? Do you see that? But you saw it disappear, right? So there's also a small tweak that we must do so that we can retain the image longer, and that's basically just writing. Besides writing, POV-Ray hello.pov, you must type plus the plus sign and a capital P, and that will retain the image basically forever until you click on it, right? So if I click on the image, it's just gonna basically close it. That can be done anytime, multiple times, of course. So this was just very short tutorial for people who have had these difficulties with installing the program in Linux or Ubuntu, and that would be it.